Hi, today I'm for CAT S53 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So open first the Play Store application and then in the search bar enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then tap to open the app, click enable in settings and near green Apple keyboard click once on the switcher, tap twice to OK, and then go back, click to switch input methods and switch your current keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished and just done. Let's check the new keyboard and we could see that it's so close to the iPhone 1 as the all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.